Good morning, Wendy Antonucci here, and I am working with the February Cocoa Daisy kit, and I am going to, this is my first layout. I'm starting with these pictures here of my daughter and her friend, and when I laid these on this page, I noticed, and I picked out this little clip that was included in one of the kits. I really like this being in the center, so I'm actually going to pull this up and down with some other embellishments. So here we go. All right, I am back. I've put down everything that I had thought about. There's a few extra pieces. I have this yellow going around, so if I leave this here, I create a circle. I'm not sure yet, but I think I want to bring that yellow down in the bottom because it's kind of missing a little bit. I've got this big leaf, but I don't have anything else. So I'm going to stick this in here. It also broadens the area where my picture is, which kind of helps ground it. I think I like these scattered like this. I was trying to work in, I cut this off my picture. This is what we were doing, and I thought that would look nice there. But it's a little bit big. I like that one better, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to squeeze this in. I'd like to, but I think I prefer the design without it. So I have these words just tucked under this flower and this one, and then I added, so you can see the yellow goes all the way around. There's the option to do it without that yellow tag, but when I take it away, I think it's really missing that pop, even though that's a strange place. It's like it's not, well, it's not a flower, it's not a circle, but it looks nice, and it's kind of a different shape. It matches my photos, the shape of my photos with the rectangle. So this is pretty much my layout. I need to put my title on it. I'm not sure. I don't think I want to go with blue. I might actually go with a small black font, so I'm going to put that on there. I just purchased this the other day. It's a Paper Bag Studio, and I loved how it was kind of messy. So I thought it'd be really neat, since we have this turquoise paint, to maybe do some splotches of that, kind of here, just, you know, here and there. I've not played with the paint, and since I really like my layout, I am going to play with it first before I begin splotching it. But that is my idea. I'm thinking just, you know, here on the edges. In this layout, because I got so excited with all these die cuts. I've never seen so many, and I am just in die cut heaven because I love these things. These are my favorite. All I need is cardstock and die cuts, and I can make a page. So I'm really happy. So I was so excited to see this. I got so excited I forgot about adding in any of these cards, which I thought I might want to add in. And looking at that, that might look neat. Kind of a layer right behind there, just a little piece of it. And because I didn't actually glue that down, I forgot I could actually trim it up and get that in. So I might do that. But basically, my layout is done. And really all I did was play with the die cuts on this page. So it's really fun with all these die cuts. There were some in the add-on, no, the classified. There were some in the main kit, and there were some in the pocket kit. So that's why we have so many, but I really love them, and they're so much fun to play with, and the colors are just brilliant. So there's my first layout with this kit. I will take a look at some of the stickers and dress it up a little bit more, but pretty much this is it. I'll show you the finished product, and I hope you have a lot of fun. And one thing I would suggest with this kit, because I know it's a lot of color, think with the white cardstock, because that way you can bring in as much color as you want or as little. So I hope you have fun. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so you can catch me more often. I will see you next time. Bye.